Do you know that your nails can tell you a lot about your health? Yes, your nails hold powerful clues about what's going on in your body, from the color to the shape, the texture to the growth pattern. Your nails could be sending you a secret message about your health. Now, I know you're thinking, nails? Really? But trust me, understanding the health of your nails could be the key to catching potential health problems before they get serious. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the Health Agenda on Up Close with Priscilla, and as always, I'm glad to have you here. If you're new here, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss on our life-changing health tips. And without further ado, let's dive straight into this topic and discover what your nails are telling you about your health. First things first, your nails are made of keratin, a tough protein that's also found in hair and skin. Healthy nails are usually smooth with a slight pink tint, no ridges, and no discoloration. But when something is off inside your body, it could be reflected on your nails. So let's break it down. The color of your nails can give us the first clue. So if your nails are pale or whitish, this could mean you're suffering from anemia, a condition where your blood does not have enough blood cells to carry oxygen to the cells and tissues. When your nails appear to have a bluish color or bluish tints, this could mean you're dealing with circulation or respiratory problems, a condition known as cyanosis, which means that your body isn't getting enough oxygen. This could be due to a heart or lung problem. But you don't have to panic because blue nails could also be caused by very cold temperatures or even nail injuries. However, if you notice that you have blue nails accompanied by shortness of breath and chest pains, consider getting checked by a health specialist to rule out any underlying medical conditions. On the flip side, if your nails are yellow, this could indicate a fungal infection, a more serious condition like diabetes, lung and liver disease such as cirrhosis. What if your nails are green? This points out to a potential bacterial infection. So, if you notice any unusual discoloration on your nails, it could be a red flag of something happening inside your body. So, consider visiting a hospital to get checked. Let's look at these pictures, guys. The white spots are called leukonychia, and this can be a sign of various conditions ranging from minor injuries to more serious systemic diseases. It can be caused by physical trauma such as bumping or hitting on the nail, even by conditions like fungal infections, psoriasis, which is a type of arthritis, or even certain medications could also cause the white spots. Some people say it's also generic. You can inherit them by functions of DNA. More seriously, it could indicate underlying systemic conditions like heart failure, kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, or diabetes. So next up is the nail shape and texture. What does the shape and the texture of your nails say about your health? To kick us off, let's talk about clubbed nails. So guys, again, look at this picture. This is nail clubbing. Nail clubbing happens when the tips of your fingers get bigger and rounded, like you can see on this picture, and the nails curve around the fingertips or they curve downwards. It usually develops over several years, so it doesn't attack at once. Nail clubbing may be caused by low oxygen in the blood. It could also indicate underlying health conditions like lung disease, heart problems, liver cirrhosis, as well as gastrointestinal problems. So when you notice clubbed nails, please get checked by a health practitioner to rule out any underlying medical condition that could be going around in your body. So let's talk about spoon nails. This is where your nails become concave and take the shape of a spoon. This is quite dangerous because it indicates iron deficiency anemia or even problems with your thyroid glands that could lead to thyroid disease, which is not a good thing. When you notice spoon nails, please get checked as fast as possible. So next guys, let's talk about the texture of your nails. Remember we said that your nails should have a smooth appearance. Look at these nails. These we call views lines or horizontal ridges. They appear when the nail growth is temporarily stopped due to injury or illness. These lines may be caused by infections, by diabetes that is not well controlled, peripheral artery disease. It could lead to these lines. Illnesses that cause high fever, such as scarlet fever, measles, mumps, or pneumonia, zinc deficiency, as well as some types of medicines, including retinoids or chemotherapy medicine. Now talk about nail growth and speed. Healthy nails typically grow about a quarter inch per month. If you notice that your nails are growing too slowly, like barely at all, that could indicate poor circulation, malnutrition, or even thyroid problem. Again, if your nails are growing too quickly, that could be linked to high levels of biotin, a supplement that's often taken for hair and nails, but it could also indicate a more serious condition like lung disease or liver issue. So don't be quick to assume that it's just biotin. Next, let's talk about nail texture. There are these vertical ridges, some kind of strips that run from the tip of your nail to the base. These are usually harmless because they are associated with aging, but sometimes they could indicate deficiency in minerals as well as vitamins, especially vitamin B12. They could also indicate dehydration and stress. So if you start seeing those ridges, straight vertical ridges that are running from the tip of your nail to the base, this is something to look into. Finally, guys, as you look at this picture, these are called brittle nails. If your nails are constantly breaking, chipping, splitting, it could be a sign of thyroid imbalance or even vitamin D deficiency. So, what should you do if you notice these changes in your nails? The first step is to stay calm and don't self diagnose. Many nail changes are harmless and can be caused by lifestyle factors like diet, hydration, stress. But if you notice any significant changes, especially in discoloration, ridges, cracks that don't go away, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Remember, your nails can be a reflection of your overall health, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. Taking good care of your body, eating well, staying hydrated, managing stress will help keep both your nails and the rest of your body in shape. So, next time you're looking at your nails, take a moment to ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me? If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to take care of your body from inside out, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with someone who you think might need to hear this. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you on my next one.